Hello, I'm Dr. Scott Jenkins, and today I'd like to introduce you to MicroNOx Health.
By June 2021, 250 million people will have been infected by COVID-19. A treatment does not exist for complications associated with these infections. With only a year into the pandemic, we continue to see symptoms evolve in patients. These are not just short-term and acute, but often long-term, lasting in many cases from several weeks to over a year.
At MicroNOx Health, we have invented and patented a proprietary nitric oxide treatment to safely reduce the complications of COVID-19 and its long-term effects. Our capsules are 10 times more potent than any other nitric oxide product in the world. The components of our capsules are the same ingredients commonly found in many of the over-the-counter medicines you take today.
Just over 25% of COVID patients experience long-term complications. We are trying to reach 1% as a target goal within the US and worldwide. For COVID patients between the ages of 15 and 74, all have seen relief using the MicroNOx capsules. A 70-year-old marathon runner discovered that he had AFib. He was then diagnosed with COVID. After just a few days on the capsules, his blood pressure went from 157 to 116, and all of his COVID symptoms were gone. Our goal for marketing is really to build social media awareness. COVID patients and their care networks are scouring the internet to find any way to relieve these symptoms. Innovative therapies and new treatments, patient testimonials, and clinical evidence drives people to choose new solutions. Our go-to-market strategy is really to drive awareness in the marketplace. We will be offering 1,000 patients a 10-day free trial in exchange for their information about how MicroNOx has affected their symptoms. At the same time, we'll be launching our 30-day MicroNOx via our direct website, as well as a beverage we have under development. Great team starts with great people. Chris and I have known each other for over 25 years, and Chris just recently sold one of his many companies that he started. Terry's a world-class marketing branding executive. Sean Green is an expert in nitric oxide and nitric oxide pathways. And Sasha Rowe has established herself as a force in social media. Performers are always highly unpredictable. What we've set as goals are very manageable and doable. The most interesting thing is that we roughly run at about a 60% overall margin, and that we intend to be profitable within the first year. In the SWOT analysis, we really look towards our main strength. We have tremendous scientific evidence and great IP. Our weakness really exists around the fact that there are many people trying to duplicate and copy things in the market. The opportunity is that hundreds of millions of people continue to be effective, and one of the big challenges for us is really regulatory or consumer backlash. Those are the things we worry about. Our MicroNOx capsules have applications beyond just the COVID market. We've seen evidence that NO works within weight loss. It seems to be quite beneficial in inflammation and autoimmune. Cardiovascular is well known and well studied. Sports athletes have been choosing NO products for years, and we see applications in the acne and the skin space as well.
We've raised just under $50,000 on an angel and are pursuing our seed round at approximately $1 million on a convertible note. With demonstrated success of the business, we hope to open a round for between $10 and $15 million.
Our use of proceeds really goes into 4 main areas. We're looking to do capsule manufacturing and packaging, build out our distribution and shipping, start our marketing, and review our legal. And I'm proud to show you a picture of our new home at the Wexford Innovation Center at ASU. Thank you very much for your time and attention.